Hello students, today we are going to discuss the numerical of trickling filter. Question will be given as discharge is equals to 5 mld, BOD 5 of influent, that is SI will be equals to 150 milligram per liter. Organic loading, it means that U is given as 165 gram per meter cube per day. Surface overloading rate, it means that V0 is given as 2500 liter per meter square per day. Now we need to determine volume of filter in meter cube, depth of filter in meter, diameter of filter in meter, and the efficiency according to the NRC equation. Now we will solve one by one each and every portion. Okay, now firstly we will write all these given values. All the given values will be equals to discharge, which will be equals to 5 mld. So we just write it as 5 into 10 to the power 6 liter per day. Okay, now that will be the discharge, and the influent BOD is given as 150 milligram per liter. That will be the influent BOD, 150 milligram per liter. Now the organic loading is given as 165 gram per meter cube per day, but in the NRC equation we generally required this value in kg per meter cube per day. So for the conversion of kg, it will be equals to 0.165 kg per meter cube per day. That will be the value of organic loading. Okay, now V0 value is given as 2500 liter per meter square per day. So we just convert this value in terms of, okay, we don't need to convert this value because all the value is given in liter and day. Now we need to determine first what we need to determine the volume. Okay, now for the volume calculation, we know that we have only one formula in which volume is coming, that is the organic loading formula, which is equals to Q into influent BOD divided by volume. Okay, now we had organic loading, we had discharge as well as influent BOD. Can we determine the volume from this equation? Definitely, it will be equals to 165 gram per meter cube per day, and the discharge is given as 5 into 10 to the power 6 liter per day. Now we need to convert this in meter cube per day, so it will be equals to 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube per day, and the influent BOD is given as 150 milligram per liter. Okay, now we need to determine the volume from this. So if we solve this equation, the volume comes out as equals to 4545.45 meter cube. That will be the volume of the trickling filter, which will be equals to 4545.45 meter cube. Now we need to determine the depth of the trickling filter. For the depth, we need to calculate the surface area first. So we know the formula of surface area, it will be equals to discharge upon V0. Okay, now we had the discharge value, which will be equals to 5 into 10 to the power 6 liter per day, as well as we have the value of V0, which will be equals to 2500 liter per meter square per day. Now from day to day cancel out, liter to liter cancel out, and we will get the surface area in terms of meter square, which will be equals to 2000 meter square. Now we know that volume is equals to surface area into depth. Okay, surface area into depth. Now we had the volume, that is 4545.45 meter cube, and we had the discharge, oh sorry, we had the value of surface area, which will be equals to 2000 meter square. So we can determine from this equation, that is the depth of the trickling filter. So the depth of the trickling filter comes out as equals to 2.27 meter. Now we had determined the volume of the trickling filter, that is 4545.45 meter cube, and the depth of the trickling filter as 2.27 meter. Now we need to find the diameter of the filter. Okay, now for the diameter calculation, we need to find the surface area, but we have surface area value, that is 2000 meter square. Okay, and we all know that surface area will be equals to, for a circular trickling filter, the surface area will be equals to pi by 4 into diameter square. Okay, now it will be equals to 2000. When we solve this equation, we will have the diameter value as 50.46 meter. So the diameter will be equals to 50.46 meter. That will be the diameter of the trickling filter. Now we need to find the efficiency of the trickling filter according to NRC equation, and we all know that NRC equation will be equals to 100 upon 1 plus 0.44 under root u. Okay, now we have the value of u as 0.165, so we just write here as under root of 0.165, and from this equation you will get the efficiency as 84.83%. That will be the efficiency of the trickling filter according to the NRC equation. Okay student, that will be the complete solution of this question. Thank you very much students.